Hey guys, second drift event here. Got my jeans already on because that's what you need. I'm looking right into the sun. But the car, I have 2 tires in the car. All I added was my oil cooler since last time. Hopefully that'll make a big difference because the steering after a couple hot runs got really stiff. But got my tires and some helmets. I left 2 of my tires down there already. I brought a previous night and left with a friend there. So now got my shit in the back. Got these 2 tires. I don't have to put another tire in here and pain in the butt. I definitely need, like, I'm gonna copy Chris Fix, but the rear mounted trailer thing to put all the tires and jack and stuff. Gotta get a smaller jack too. I got a big floor jack. Like, don't need that. Alright, here we go. Go ahead. That felt pretty good.
Yeah.